One of the best things you can do for your health is to make sure your gut is healthy. And one of the best ways to do that is by eating a healthy diet. And some foods are so full of gut-friendly nutrients that they're considered the best colon-cleansing foods you can eat. Bloating, gas, indigestion, and acidity are the most common issues we face nowadays, all thanks to the amount of junk food we eat day in and day out. We often ask ourselves how to clean our stomachs, how to cleanse our intestines naturally, and how to empty our stomachs too. Here is a list of foods that you should eat every day or the night before in order to clear your stomach naturally every day. Peppermint. Peppermint eases symptoms associated with indigestion in many cases and helps you clean your stomach. Honey lemon remedy. For a clean stomach, combine equal quantities of honey along with 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of ginger juice. Take 1 teaspoon of this mixture 2 to 3 times a day to fight indigestion. Chutneys. Chutney is an important ingredient that accompanies Indian food. The chutney that helps in digestion should include mint or pudina, coriander, green chilies, lemon juice, and ginger. All these ingredients have components that help your body absorb nutrients, cool the digestive tract, and enhance the body. Warm water. Warm water cleanses the stomach, spikes metabolism, and washes out the toxins. In fact, warm water seems to hold the key to a natural way of detoxing your system as it helps reduce stomach cramps and heartburn. Isabgol. I'm sure you have probably heard about this, and it honestly does work. 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk added to 1 cup of milk taken at bedtime is a sure-shot remedy for constipation. Caraway seeds. Take 1.3 liters of water and add 1 sp of caraway seeds or shajira. Bring the water to a boil and drink it while the water is warm. Have this water 2 or 3 times a day for 5 to 6 days. Caraway seeds help douse out the acidity. Infusions. Infusions of ginger, peppermint, and chamomile work great for digestion. Simply steep for 10 minutes in hot water, strain and drink at least twice a day, generally an hour after meals. Lemon. Add a dash of lemon juice to your sabzi or even your morning omelette. The enzymes in the lemon break down toxins in the system and aid digestion. Heeng powder. Mix 1 tablespoon of powdered asafoetida in a warm glass of water and drink it to aid digestion. Heeng. This is the best digestive you can opt for. Roast some heeng seeds and store them in a bottle next to your bed or the dining table. Chew them after you finish your dinner. They work best for indigestion and gas. Tulsi leaves. Having Tulsi leaves every morning on an empty stomach will not only build your immunity but will aid in better digestion. Aloe vera. I bet you have a plant on your balcony which is turning yellow because you don't use it. Simply cut an aloe vera branch, peel off the green cover to obtain a translucent jelly in between, and drink this mixture every morning to have smoother motions.